We just arrived here in Cancun and we are gonna head to the first gym. It's quite late, we'd had a really long day. It's always a long day when you're traveling, moving from one city to another city. Honestly, I'm really tired. They have a Starbucks here in Cancun, so I might go there before I go to the gym because it's too late to take like a pre-workout or something. I don't want to be up all night. But anyways, we're gonna head to the next gym, our first gym here in Cancun, and then tomorrow will be our very last gym of this whole gym series and the last gym here in Cancun. There is two, so one tonight and one tomorrow. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more from us, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure to follow our social media accounts where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel. Okay, so the first thing I noticed coming into this gym is there is no smoothie bar like every other gym we've been to. They at least had protein available, or most of them made protein shakes for you for a cost. They were all cash only also, so any of those gyms you can get supplements, or you can get coffee or pre-workouts, which are supplements, all kinds of stuff, but also protein shakes or snacks, but it was only cash only. None of them accepted credit cards, so I thought that was interesting. But here there is no shakes, nothing. They don't sell anything at this location here in downtown Cancun. I have to remember where I am. I'm moving so fast. I'm in like 3 different cities within 3 days, so I'm in Cancun now. But yeah, the one here in downtown Cancun, they do not have anything like that. So that was a difference that I've seen so far. And this one is only 2 stories. Some of them have, they're either 3, so one in Tulum, so the gym in Tulum is actually 3 stories, that's the only one, and all the rest have been 2 stories. So yeah, this one is also 2 stories, so that's what I've noticed. They don't like 1-story gyms for whatever reason, but I like it. I like having 2 stories, and 3 stories even better. I actually like the Tulum one has 3 stories. Just something cool about going to and being a member of a 3-story gym. It's kind of fun. I guess technically the Tulum gym is actually 4 stories, because when you first walk in, you have the desk, the front desk. You also have the smoothie and supplement little shop. You have the room for spinning, and then you go up to the first floor. They call it the first floor, but technically it's the second floor, and that's some weights and cardio. And then you go up the next floor, and that is more weights. And then you go up another floor, and that's the rooftop. So even though I say it's 3 floors, I technically think it's 4. you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up like button down below. And thanks so much for doing that in advance. Also, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave those down below in the comment section. If you have any suggestions for future videos that you'd like to see, leave those as well in a comment down below. I'll get to those as soon as I can. Don't forget to share this video on social media with friends.